Hello everyone, welcome to Legacy IAS. So we'll be starting with PYQs of chapter of Syllogism. Now, let's get started. So this is from 2022. Very easy chapter, okay? Not much theory. We will just start with the PYQs. Whatever is the theory, I will keep on explaining you. Now, see, one thing that you should know is this, that how you draw very basic four diagrams. So, you know, this is A, this is B. What does this mean? That is A and B have nothing in common. Now, if A and B have something in common like this, then this is called sum A are B or sum B are A. Correct? This is no A is B. Correct? Now, third diagram that you should remember is this is all A are B. As you can clearly see, A is entirely inside B. Then last diagram is A, B. This is also sum A are not B. This also means sum B are not A. Both holds. Sum A are not B. Why this holds? Because you can see this A, this part of A, this is A, but this is not B. So sum A are not B. Then next is sum B are not A. So sum B like this is not A. So this also holds. So both of them actually hold. Correct? Sum A are not B, sum B are not A. Now, there is also one diagram for sum A are B. Now, sum A are B can also be made like this. Why this can be made like this? Because it was saying that sum A are B. Correct? Now, if all A are B, then also it's fine. Then similarly, sum B are A can also be made like this. Correct? Because sum of B are A. Understood? Sum B are A. That's it. Now here you have sum A are not B. So this is also a possible diagram that you have A here and B here. What was the statement saying? That there are some A's which are not B. That be all A's which are not B. Does not matter. You can extrapolate in that direction. That is, you are satisfying the minimum criteria, then you can extend it further. So these are the 6 possible main diagrams that you need to know, and then we will learn as we go along. Okay, now let's get started. So first one more thing, let me tell you that if there are 3 characters, okay, such that the relation between A and B is given to you and the relation between A and C is given to you. If both of these are given to you, then there are always 2 possibilities. Correct? What are those possibilities? Either B and C have a intersection, or B and C do not have a intersection. So these are the 2 implicit possibilities not given in the question. For example, it tells you sum A are B. So sum A are B will be like A and B. Correct? Sum A are B. Now it also tells you that sum A are C. Sum A are C. Now see. So sum A are C. So one possible diagram will, when I have to draw C, one possible diagram is I don't take B, or I say B and C don't have anything in common. So I draw it like this. Can you see sum A are C? Both the statements are satisfying. Sum A are B, sum A are C. Correct? So this is one possible diagram. What is the other possible diagram? See, it is not passing any restriction in the relation between B and C. So other possibility is this. Does this also tell that there are some A that are C? Then there are some B's also which are C. Does not matter. So this was the first diagram. This was the second diagram. So B and C do not have an intersection. So this will be like the first diagram. B and C does have an introduction. This will be like the second diagram. So always 2 such diagrams are possible. Okay, that's it. Now let's get to the questions. Yeah. So what it says? First one, it says some doctors are teachers. Some doctors are teachers. So this is doctors. Some doctors are teachers. Is this correct? No. What you should draw? Some doctors. So always in some we draw like this. So some doctors are teachers. Correct? There is something common between doctors and teachers. Then all teachers are engineers. Okay. So all teachers are engineers. This is correct. All teachers are engineers. Then all engineers are scientists. This is the third one. What it says? It says all engineers are scientists. That means all the engineers must be contained inside all the scientists. So you have drawn the diagram. Was there any discrepancy? Where should be this, that? No. These are very easy statements. So you got here very easily. Now it says some scientists are doctors. Now some scientists are doctors. Is it true? Yes, there is some introduction. There is some intersection. Correct. So this is true. Then next says all engineers are doctors. All engineers are doctors. Is it true? No. You can see doctors here that are not engineers. So this is untrue. Then some engineers are doctors. So some of the engineers are doctors. Yes, this is true. Definitely true. So this becomes correct. Answer becomes conclusion 1 and 3 follows. Answer becomes C. That is conclusion 1 and 3 are correct. Then next. Now let's see this. What it says. All pens are books. So all, this is pen. All pens are books. This is correct. All pens are books. Now, no chair is a pen. No chair. Now we have drawn one relation. Always be careful with the third relation. Now, as you can see, here the relation is between pen and book. So this is like A and B, correct? And here the relation is between chair and pen. So this is like C and A. So can you see that pattern? A and B, A and C relation is given. Then you need to guess the relation between B and C. And there are many possibilities, correct? There are two possibilities, correct? So we will take both of them. So first is all pens are books. This is done. Then no chair is a pen. No chair is a pen. Now let's see. So no chair is a pen. Pen and chair do not have anything in common. Now one possibility is what? That B and C also don't have anything in common, correct? One possibility. Other thing is no chair is pen. So other possibilities, yes, it must not intersect with pen, but it can still intersect with these books, correct? Intersection with books is possible. Again, two possible diagrams. Done. Now it must hold. Now if these statements are absolute statements, it must hold in both the diagrams. Then only we can call it correct with definite reason. Now let's see what it says. First is all chairs are books. All the chairs are books. All chairs are books. Is it true? No, not true according to both diagrams. So this is wrong. Then some chairs are pens. So next is there are some chairs that are pens. So some chairs are pen. Now some chairs are pen is it possible? No, not in both the diagrams, as the statement itself is no chair is a pen. So some chairs are pens is not even possible. Then all books are chairs. Is all books chairs? No, not holding in both the diagrams. Correct. Now last is no chair is a book. Now this is an important statement. So it says no chair is a book. Now according to this diagram, this is true. No chair is book. But it must hold for both the diagrams because both of these are equally probable, or both of these are possibilities. So here there are chairs that are books, correct? This is the intersection. So does not hold for this one, must hold for both of them. So still not the correct conclusion. So what do you get as answer? None of the conclusions follow. Understood? Simple. Then now next, what it says? This one says some rats are cats. Now they must have become expert. Huh? Some rats are cats. This is fine. Rats and cats, some intersection. Then some cats are dogs. Some cats are dogs. Now again, what was the rule that I taught you? Again, see this. Rat, cat, correct? It's like A, B, then here also cats, dogs. So this is like A, C. Then there will be two diagrams where B and C are intersecting, B and C are not intersecting. Correct? Now, so first line was done, first statement was done. Some rats are cats. Then some cats are dogs. Some cats are dogs. Now, cats and dogs, two possibilities. One is some cats are dog. One is it is not intersecting with rats at all. And the other possibility is this. That is, some cats are dogs. Correct? Both of these are possible. Then, next diagram. No dog is a cow. Now, no dog is a cow is again has how many possibilities? Again will have two possibilities. No dog is a cow. So now no dog is a cow. One thing can be that dog and cow does not have a relation with rats and cats also. So one is cow will be like this. This is cow. No dog is a cow. Holds for this. Other way can be that cow must not intersect with dogs, but this is a possibility, no? That it intersects with the other two, that is rats and cats, or intersect with one of them at least, does not matter. So now these are the diagrams that you get. Now it must hold for all the diagrams, all these conclusions, for it to be called true. Now let's see the statements. So first statement is no cow is a cat. No cow is a cat. Holds for this one, but clearly some cows are cats. Possible? Possible? Correct. So this one, no cow is a cat is wrong. Why? Because here there are some cows that are cats. Then, no dog is a rat. No dog is a rat, but here you have some dogs that are rat. Again, wrong. Then, some cats are rats. Is this correct? Yes. There must be some cats that are rat. Because if some rats are cats, then of course some cats are also rats. Same thing, correct? So some cats are rat is also is correct. So these two are wrong. Third one is correct. Answer becomes C. That is only 3. Understood? Simple. Okay, that's it for questions. Basic understanding of how we solve in this chapter and the questions from 2022 CSAT. That's it. Thank you.